Ipapakita sa Royce Factory kung paano ginawa yung chocolates from scratch, from history hanggang sa paano nila ginagawa ang mga products nila. Tapos sa dulo, pwede ka pang gumawa ng sarili mong chocolate. Chocolate! Bago tayo mag-start, sabi nga ni Janelle,
Welcome to today's tour.
nag-start tayo sa history at sa mema kong kaibigan.
Para malinis po siya pag kinain ng mga pangkataw.
Dito naman, pinakita ko saan pwede magtanim ng cacao beans.
Ito na.
Gama sabi ni Anton, upo ka lang daw. Oh, upo ka lang. Renzo, do you know which part of the cacao bean is used for chocolate?
Which part of the cacao bean?
The endosperm.
Hindi ko pa binabasa yan. I just knew it.
Pasok tayo sa factory, so we have to make sure we're disinfected.
What have they showed here in Royce Factory? Go!
With your pressure reading, expect to see where it came from scratch. The planting,
The planting and the evolution.
Ito naman yung kaibigan namin, Chocolate Queen. Grabe naman to maka oh my gosh yung dalawa.
Here there are visualizations of how they make the famous potato chips. Go up. They're pretty strict here that you have to wear hairnet, apron. As you enter the area, it already smells so good. There are 3 stations. One is depositing, one is stopping. The next one is cooling, and the last one is packaging. Okay, now the chocolate, what do you call this? The chocolate solidifies within 5 minutes, so we have 5 minutes to add some toppings. Yes, Bob, yes. We could have put M heart D. Why will you never do that? Does M not heart D?
Ba't ayaw?
Ton. Now my friends are doing their packaging.
I chose this box because it's colorful. When I look at it, I remember this moment when we made the chocolate. And
Tangina mo. Show it, show it. Here's the end product. Do you think it's good?
Yeah.
what's the labas?
Gamang ganda ng chocolate mo. What a beautiful white chocolate man.
After making chocolates, we left notes to grow the trees.
Oh my god, what's wrong?
Oh!
There's also a shop where you can buy limited items and a small cafe where we add some snacks. And that's it for the tour. Thanks for watching.